What is the cerebellum? The cerebellum is a structure of the central nervous system. It is the largest part of the brain of the brain. It is located in the back and lower parts of the skull. Main function of the cerebrum. The main function of the cerebrum is to integrate motor and sensory pathways. In short, it receives information and others from the cerebral cortex and connects them with the locomotor system. It is also responsible for some process of memory, language, attention, learning, among other functions. However, the cerebrum is not responsible for any of the functionality of the olfactory system. Structure of the cerebellum: vermis, anterior lobe, posterior lobe, flocculus, nodulus, posterior fissure, horizontal fissure, primary fissure, emissure.
The damage caused in the cerebellum can be attributed to a series of events that starts from the oxidative stress in the DNA, which generates an affection in the brain cells, later a premature aging of the system, progressive accumulation of mutations, and in more cases, severe cell death. It was observed that the role that exercise plays in the cerebellum at an early age is very important, since it helps us to prevent different neurodegenerative diseases such as cerebral ataxia, Parkinson, or oxidative stress in the DNA. It was also shown that when these are already present in the body at an advanced age, there is evidence that the exercise and physical activity can benefit us in the treatment of different diseases. Although exercise does not eliminate the disease, the effects that this generate can be reduced. This is due to the fact that Purkinje cells show a more advanced deterioration in adulthood in people with a sedentary lifestyle, as opposed to people who practice some exercise or carry a level of physical activity from an early age. We must bear in mind that it's not only exercise alone that can prevent these affectations, since it can also be combined with calorie restriction, in which we can find studies that recommend relative restriction ranging from 60 or 70% intake in obese people. It was even found that in exercise, such as swimming, the role of the cerebellum does not play such a large role, since begin repetitive movements, these can be controlled by the prefrontal cortex.